Rotary Tune Scoot Sport in Atsugi City in Kanagawa. They are known for making four-rotor machines. The representative, Koseki-san, he appeared several times for Wangan and hit the top speed. He's a speed junkie and a top tuner. A 30Z is sitting in his shop. Why is that, Koseki-san? Normal Z owners don't come to my shop usually, so just take a look. Is it different? It's rotary. It's unusual. Rotary for a Z? Here there are four rotors. Look at this. Four rotors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four rotors. This is already set tight. This car is the main man. Nissan's famous 30Z with a four-rotor engine. It's a unique machine. The customer who bought this Z wasn't satisfied with the L-type engine. He was riding SI22C with peripheral port engine before and couldn't forget his previous car. So we came to the conclusion that we would set four rotors on the Z. Four rotors with a peripheral port, about 550 horsepower. It's fully computerized using BTEC. It's pretty smart, 950 RPM. Things are good nowadays. Was it hard to set it up? It was relatively easier than FD3S, cylinder-wise, and so I barely touched the other parts. The owner is going to use it for commuting. He said he will run highways, so I want to make a car he would feel good driving. Okay, you want to go? Nah, Motorhead magazine was here earlier. I told them it's 550 horsepower, but it's actually about 150 when it's in bad condition. It's the middle of the day, I don't want to ride. So, Nabe-san from Motorhead magazine will drive now. The accelerator is so light. Just give a little step on it. Yes, like that. It's very severe because the accelerator setting is not finished yet. You don't have to step on it. The accelerator's control is severe because the setting is not complete. How many rotations? It's 2000 RPM now. You should put it in 5th gear. This is not ready for commuting yet. There is a long way for the commuting. Really, you can bring it to 600 horsepower? If I bring the langs in the exhaust and stuff, to that point, it can easily hit over 600 horsepower. I see. For a licensed car with numbers, it's better to use more torque than a high-power engine that produced 8,000 RPM, right? I think it's better. If you want to use it for daily use, giving it more than 1,000 rotations will create so much speed. I'm riding FD3S, so I can tell when I feel powerful torque from the bottom. With your own car, how much rotation do you get with four rotors? I hit about 9,000 RPM. 9,000 RPM. The sound must be loud. Yeah, the sound. Talking about 9,000 RPM, if I make it with normal cars, the peak power is not there. Talking about the sound, 7,500 RPM to 8,000 RPM would make the best sound. The sound is very good. Oh, really? So if you keep the rotations around that, the car's durability would be good too. Yes, right. If you could keep it around 7,000 RPM, you can run a tuned engine for about 50,000 kilometers. It would be very good without problems. Oh, I see. So, four rotors are the ultimate combination for rotary. Do you think so too? Two rotors explode at 180 degrees. Three rotors maybe around 120 degrees. That's true. Four rotors make it to 90 degrees. The balance fits so good for rotary, I think. I see. Even if the Z30 is equipped with a four-rotor engine, there's no feeling that the front part is heavy. That's right, you feel even lighter. Even during the lane changing, I don't feel any problems. It's simply great. Thank you so much for today for letting me ride such a precious car. When I think of four rotors, I think of Mazda or Le Mans machines, and those cars are made for racing. They must be hard to handle. That's what I thought, but this car had so much torque and is totally different from the 13B engine. I was very surprised to discover it. Next time, please ride again when this machine feels well. Yes, please let me ride again. Thank you very much. I will fix it and bring it to its best. So please, Dai-san, I want you to ride it. We can't wait to see the finished car. Let us hear the best sound.